Today I'm going to share with you how to get your inventory that is currently at Amazon FBA and have it shipped either back to you, liquidated, or disposed of from your account. So the first thing you want to do, go to your desktop version of Amazon Seller Central and go to your Manage Inventory. Now once you get here, you'll see all of your products if you have more than one. I have this filtered down to the product that we want to actually remove from Amazon. So you want to go the whole way to the right side here where it says Edit and click the drop down menu. And from there, you're going to select Create Removal Order. Okay, so let's scroll down to our first selection here. This is the Choose Method of Removal. Again, we can liquidate, return to address, or dispose. Liquidation is a process where Amazon will actually take your set number of units and liquidate them to a liquidator, meaning that they'll sell them at a very reduced rate and give you some credit back. There are fees associated with that, so if you want to learn more, select Learn More, and you can go into those fees and see if it's something that you want to do. The second option here is Return to Address, which is the option that we're going to be selecting today. By selecting this option, Amazon will actually ship your units that you select to you as long as you're within the United States. That is usually the most common scenario that we'll be selecting. The third one here is Dispose, exactly what it means. Amazon will go ahead and dispose of your inventory. They'll either donate it or they'll actually just put it in a landfill and get rid of it. So let's go ahead and select Return to Address, or the one that you are looking to do. And if you select Return to Address versus Dispose, you're going to see that you have to add an address for that to actually be shipped to. So go ahead and add your address here or wherever you want these units to be shipped to. Just keep in mind this has to be within the United States. Once you've added your address in there, you can go to the right side here and you can set a removal order ID. I typically leave this blank because it will be auto-generated, and it's just a way for you to identify that removal order belongs to these products. But if this is something you're not doing often, there's not really a whole lot of sense in putting something in there. All right, and then make sure that the product that you're trying to remove is down here, and it's going to ask you the amount of units that you want to remove. Now, I only have one unit currently at Amazon, so that is the maximum that I can remove, but it will tell you the total amount of fulfillable units that you do have at Amazon that you're allowed to remove. So go ahead, enter the number in there, and then you can click Review in the bottom right. Once you click Review, you'll be met with this review and confirmation message. Just make sure that everything looks correct, the total amount, the number of SKUs, which is the number of listings, and then that your removal method is how you want it to be. All right, select Confirm, and at that point, within about a week's time, Amazon will process this on your behalf. They'll have your fulfillable units packaged and shipped to you, and I'd say anywhere between 10 to 14 days at this point, you should be receiving your units at home at your return address.